Beauty gang, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Black Beauty, the self-care mommy herself. And guess what? All I got my camera. I'm so excited. Like what Blue's Clues say? We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I know who it's from though, but if you don't know, now you know. I have been shooting my YouTube videos on my iPhone. I have the 14, and even though it's good quality, it's just like, it's time to make that transition, okay? Let me tell you something. Get your popcorn, get your notes, especially if you want to buy a camera, if you're looking to buy a camera. We're gonna unbox this camera together and we're gonna test it out on, on the channel, and then I'm gonna let y'all know if I like it or not. Like, I heard so many good reviews, so stay tuned. Like I said, get your pen, get your pad, get some popcorn, and you know I love my water. So get some water and let's unbox this camera. Okay, so here's the box. So I ended up getting the Canon EO5 M50. It's a content creator kit. So it comes with a mic, like an extended mic, and it also comes with like a tripod. I got it off of Amazon because I was researching and looking around for different cameras, and I'm just like, I wanted something that has like a audio extender port, and I also wanted something of good quality because I don't know, like my iPhone been doing me justice. I just need more space, really. I researched it, and like my friends helped me research like a good camera, and this is what we came out with. So let's unbox. I don't want y'all to see like my apartment number, so I'm just trying to like not show that on the box. Let's see. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, let's just hope and pray it's a good camera. Okay. Boom. Oh my God, it's here. So this is what is this? It's from Amazon. Well, it's from Adorama. It says, thank you for your purchase from Adorama via Amazon Marketplace. And then it basically has like my order number and my warranty. I did get a 3-year warranty, which was only like, I think like $23. So yeah, if anything happens, I could always, get a new one or return it. Boom. But this box is cute though, y'all. Look. Isn't that cute? That's what the camera is gonna look like. I'm so ready to unbox this. Get the scissors out the way for safety. Okay, so what is this? This is the microphone. So let's unbox the microphone. Okay, look. So it says DME100. So I'm guessing that is the version of the microphone that they sent me. I was pressed. I don't know why this is my favorite part of the camera. Like the little fur ball. I think it's so cute. And it comes with instructions, of course. And let's bring the mic out. I can't sing to y'all. Sorry. Okay. So this is the mic. This is what the mic looks like. So this is the part that you would plug into the camera, and then this is, I guess I would just have to sit this on top of the camera. I'm gonna do it all, but that is what the mic looks like. Nothing else is in the box, so I'm just gonna put it back in here. I want y'all to see my face, like, hey y'all. So I'm gonna put everything back in here because I'll set the camera up after we finish unboxing. So next we have a tripod, and the tripod version is HG100 TBR. And I'm telling y'all this just in case y'all already have a camera and you're just looking to get like your own tripod or whatever the case may be. I believe they sell these like individually as well. However, I just bought the kit. I don't know. I'm gonna have to really read the instructions because honestly, this is my first camera, so I don't really know how to set things up. So the tripod comes with a remote. So I believe this part is the remote, because as you can see, that's where the remote would be placed. So I was able to find the remote, and I have the remote there, and this is what it looks like out. This is what it would look like just sitting. And then there's also a little button feature right here. If you press that, it allows you to adjust which way and which direction you would want the camera to sit. So that's cool. This is really good for, like, you know, if I'm taking pictures and things like that, I can like start, stop, and capture the moment better. What is this? We're gonna look at that later because I'm ready to open the camera. Okay, so the moment of truth. Well, actually, this isn't the moment of truth. The moment of truth will be I'm going to actually record myself on camera, and then we're gonna really look at the quality of it, and then you're gonna get my blank reaction. But let's open the package. Pen. Boom. Don't break your nails, ladies. For real. There's always another way. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Whoa. That's dope. That is dope. And also the screen pops out, so like if I wanted to, and it reverses, so I don't have to be looking at the camera. Like I can film like this and be looking at myself. This is gonna be bomb when I do like vlogs, or if I'm doing my makeup on camera. That is so freaking fetch. I didn't say that, but that's dope. That's really dope. Okay. Set the whole thing up. Do y'all want me to do it on camera? Like, y'all want to see me set it up on camera or what? Like, give me a second. I'm about to get all the components together, read the instructions, and then I'm gonna set it up for y'all, okay? Okay, so we have the camera, and again, this is the EO5 M50. It's a Canon. We have the battery here, okay? And then we have a battery charger. We also have the lens that's gonna go towards the front. If you know, that's gonna be more so when I'm trying to do videography. And then I have the tripod with the remote. Oh yeah, and we can't forget about the mic, okay? So let's start setting everything up. So the first thing I did was insert the battery in here, and I'm gonna charge it. This is just gonna be the last thing that I insert, because I at least wanted to have one bar so I can record and show you all. So let's go do that. Okay, so it says that once the charging light is green, that's when we know that it's fully charged. So let's move into attaching the lens. So it says here, set the power switch to off. Okay, it's on off. It says remove the lens and camera cap. Okay, that's what it looks like without the lens cap. Attach lens. So I'm just going to twist this on here. Which way? Okay. So I also have to remove it from here. Is that the right one? Yes. So be sure that you're removing the right cap. This one in the back is to secure the back of it, and then there's also another cap to secure the front. So I removed it from the back, and let's go ahead and attach it. Boom. Period. Let's move on to the next step. I want to do the mic next. I'm attaching the tripod right now. I'm doing everything out of order simply because I'm just waiting for the battery to charge. This move, click that, and then yo, this is actually pretty dope because I can really shoot from any angle I want to. Boom. Period. There's a little side right there that says mic, so I am going to pull that open and attach. Okay, so let's do this part first. Basically, you just slide this here and you plug it in. So the top has something that you can attach the mic to, and you just slide it up there, easy, and then plug it into the side. So that's what the mic looks like. And then the little fur ball. Let's open the fur ball. Oh yeah, y'all, so there was a little Canon strap, but I'm not gonna put that on there because I'm not outside, so I just wanna, I just wanna set the actual camera up and get it working. And basically with the okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Basically what the fur ball is, it basically covers the mic like this, and it's supposed to give you like a more clean cut sound rather than the mic just being like an open mic. Or maybe I was supposed to do the fur ball before. Okay, that's how we looking. That's how we're looking. So we attached the lens, we attached the tripod, we attached the mic, and the battery is still charging. So as soon as I'm gonna play around with it a little bit just to see and test out all the features, and then once the battery charges, I will get back. We will insert the battery and then we will try to shoot. So stay tuned. Okay, this is not supposed to happen. I'm gonna play around with it because I think it's something going on with the mic, because the mic just keeps falling off. So I'm gonna try to see a fix for that. And while I'm doing that and we're waiting for the battery to charge, I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, beauty gang, we're back and it's been charging. The battery has been charging for about 45 minutes to an hour. It's not on green yet, but I figured that's enough to at least finish the video. I did open up the bottom part right here, so now I'm about to place the battery inside. Boom. And I close it back up. So now I'm gonna attach the tripod back onto the camera. And I was able to find a fix for the sliding mic. So basically what you're gonna wanna do is to keep it from like sliding. As soon as you put it on there, there's a little part right here and you can screw it up or screw it down. When you screw it down, it locks the mic in place, so now it's not just falling all over the place. So let's go ahead and turn the camera on. Wow, so it turned on immediately. So now it's asking me to insert the date and time, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I set the date, I set the time, and I set my time zone. So now it shows up a message. Push and hold the lens, switch direction, and then rotate the lens. So they have so many different, there's so many different types of mode I can choose, but I'm just gonna go into movie recording. Okay, so I was able to enable the camera. Look, y'all. This is dope, actually. Hold on. I can literally see myself. I'm literally shooting myself right now. So I'm about to start recording just so I can test out the camera quality. But for right now, it looks bomb.com. Okay, so one thing I have noticed about the camera already is that it's sensitive to touch. So if you are to place the camera down or start placing it down, the screen will cut off and I believe stop recording. The camera is, the quality is so dope. Hold up. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to show you all the actual camera. So this is where the mic went, and as you can see, the tripod, I have like the little strap part that goes on the tripod, and then I also have this strap that I'm gonna put on later. But yeah, y'all, this is I'm official now. I'm official. That's the remote. I do need a SIM card, so I definitely want to go ahead and get that. I'm gonna go to Best Buy today and try to buy one. But yeah, this is how we're looking. I'm official. Drop you official in the comments. Drop you official in the comments, because yeah, this is a nice looking camera. I'm not gonna lie. And I want to show you all the quality. Okay, the camera actually is about to die. I need to charge the battery, so I just wanted to show you all. Look, I have to go get the SIM card like I said, so I'm just showing you all. This is me moving, y'all. I'm really official. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so that's gonna conclude the video. I'm so happy of my purchase. Like, this is me investing in myself. This is what it looks like. This is what it feels like, and it feels great. Thank y'all for watching the video. If you want this camera, I will put the link at the bottom of the bio or the description. Sorry, I will put the link at the bottom of the description, and yeah, just go buy it, because it's only up from here. If y'all thought my videos was looking good, just wait on it. Yeah, I'm official. Yeah. As usual, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Y'all, we almost at 200 subscribers. I started my channel, I think, back in March with 3 subscribers, and now we're at 160. Come on. Let's keep subscribing. Let's just keep growing, and let's keep this page alive. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.